I'm on the fence about these products, but as usual, I'm gonna work it. Okay, I have all the chunky twists out of my hair, and now I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna shampoo my hair. I might shampoo my hair in the kitchen sink like we used to do old school, just hold our head over the kitchen sink. Shampoo my hair that way if my son has done his chores and done the dishes tonight. But if he hasn't, he's still gonna do the dishes, but I'm gonna step into the shower instead. So I've already started mixing my conditioner for the left side, for the right side. So for the right side, I have my Icy Moist 3-Minute Miracle. For the left side, I have that also. I'm also going to add my Canvas Beauty Blossom Serum. Remember, there's multiple ways to use this product. And for the left side, so that I can tell these apart, I'm gonna kind of mark this one this way, all the way around. I know this is Wild Growth Oil with this kind of drippage going down. Sink or shower, here I come. Alright, my hair is clean, it's conditioned. Now, I'm going to moisturize my hair. For the L of the LCO, I'm going to use this leave-in treatment. This is by Infusium 23, and I place it in this spray bottle here. So I just removed my twist, right? So I was anxious to get these installed in my hair, and then I was so ready to get them out. But I did enjoy them. They were lightweight, airy, they're flowy. They didn't feel heavy on my head at all. I really like that hair that I used. I don't remember the name of it, but it's in the last video, and you can watch it here. It was good. It was good for me, but I was so ready to have them out. I really enjoyed the benefits of it, but I was over it. Now for my cream, I use this Carol's Daughter. This is the Coil Enhancing Moisture Butter. This is a mixture of almond, avocado, and vitamin E oil. I'm going to repeat the process on the right side. Shea butter. This is whipped shea butter. And I just use that for my entire head. I always part my hair on the right side. I'm a right side part type girl. The two products that I'm reviewing today are the Pattern Beauty Styling Gel and also the Edge Control. Meanwhile, I'm just shaking my head because I don't know why it's taking me this long to realize that the Carol's Daughter moisturizer works against my hair porosity. It sits on top of my hair shaft. No absorption at all. I get it now. I get it. Now, while I was doing my hair, as you'll see, I was thinking that the gel was the issue. So I'm not gonna delete the original audio, but I'll definitely have to give these products another try, minus the CD. Stick. So I'm not crazy about this gel so far. I don't hate it, but okay. So let's tie it down first and see what we get. But for now, I'm not too sure. Now I'll try my hands at this edge control. I thought I caught a whiff of lemon scent, but I guess that's just my mind playing tricks on me because this product is yellow, but I actually don't really smell much of anything. It's thick, thick, thick. Okay, I'll put a little of this edge control just right here at the part, just to see if I can get that to smooth out better. Now, if these products don't blend well together, it's not my fault. These are the same line products, and if they can't mix well, we got issues. Yes, ma'am. Issues. And I have a feeling this is going to be white in the morning, but again, I hope all this whiteness goes away and dries clear, because whether it's my fault or Tracy Ellis Ross's fault, I'll be the one with white hair in the morning at work. And she'll be somewhere living her best life, and I'll be dealing with flakes. So yeah, that is sticky. Alright guys, I am super duper tired. We'll see how this turns out in the morning. I got junk to put up. I don't have this on my head tight, but I am pulling this knot tight. I'm gonna cover it with one more scarf just to add some extra weight to it to get it to hold down, because this gel, it's really thick, but it's, I don't know if I can articulate it exactly, but it's something that's the slickness, that's what's missing from this gel for my hair. Maybe it's the moisturizer that I used on my hair prior to adding the product, I don't know, but whatever it is, it's really just not gelling. It's not gelling with my hair. But I'll see you guys in the morning. My hair is still wet. I have this flaking here around the front. Bullshit. I don't want to mess with it too much. When you mess with hair that's already flaking, you really just cause more flaking. So this is how much I used last night.
I decided to put my scarf back on while I finished getting dressed for work. And here's the final look. Ooh la la, I do like it, I like it. I'm on the fence about these products. I won't give it a final call for now. I'll give them another try without using the cream moisturizer, because I really suspect that the flaking that I see is actually a result of Carol's daughter, also my hair porosity. I've used this for a long time, but I finally come to realize that it doesn't work well with my high porosity hair, so it's a wrap. Now, as far as the hold, I'm not too sure about it either, but again, I'll give these products another try, and who knows, Frolyn may actually like it. But as usual, I'm gonna work it, I'm gonna own it and do my thing. I'm gonna keep on smiling, and that's how that's gonna work. Until next time, I'm SUNKISSED NIC. Bye.